Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco in a Badlands trim with the Sasquatch package and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. And the Sasquatch package giving you 35-inch tires on bead locker rims, as well as coming with rock sliders down below, four-door configuration, soft top. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have your rear gate that opens up to the side with your full-size spare on the back, and looking in, you have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and underneath this cover you have your jack and some spare room, as well as having your door bags. Since the doors are removable, you want to keep them safe. And looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with the marine grade vinyl interior that is, I believe, impervious to water. And then you have the rubberized floors with drain plugs, so you won't have any moisture build up in here. And in the middle, you have USB, USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. The backs of the seats also have MOLLE rigging and a little mesh pouch, so you can hook your equipment onto there. This vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. And you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, very important for a vehicle like this, navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, we have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out among both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screens, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general vehicle features such as driver assistance and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. And above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, so you have your sway bar disconnect, front and rear locking differentials, trail turn assist, so if you're on a tighter trail and you want to turn around, this will assist you in doing that. Traction control shut off, hazards, and you do have a mounting point for your accessory rail up here, so if you want to mount like a GoPro or something, you can do that. Moving down, you have your media controls, and then your auto start stop shut off, and your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. Down below, you have this area with a USB and USB-C, and you have one of your grab handles. You also have one on either side of the dash to hold on to keep stable going over rougher terrain. And you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, two cup holders, and your 4x4 controls. You have for high, low, and auto, as well as trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain, as well as your drive mode selector for normal, eco, slippery, mud ruts, sand, Baja, and rock crawl mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then you have, of course, your window and mirror controls, because the doors are removable, but you still want to have control of your mirrors, and lockable center compartment / armrest, because of course, since the doors are removable, you want to lock up your stuff. Has a removable tray, plenty of room inside, and a 12-volt, so you can plug in from there. And then, last but not least, you do have 6 upfitter switches up here, which can be wired up however you please, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now, if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111, and have a nice day.